I think Cam definitely, compared to other speakers, showed a lot more confidence and willingness to engage with the kids. He was open, he was honest, he was interactive, and I feel like that definitely kept the kids captivated. This really gave them a wake-up call. Just 30 days away from their GCSEs coming up. They needed it after their last round of PPEs and final sort of mocks. It's really giving them that big push and motivation to give it their all for their exams.
If you get around a group where, do you know what, it's normal to work hard, you're going to start working hard.
I feel like he was engaging enough and open with them, which kept them sort of listening, because usually 20 minutes in the kids will switch off, but they kept listening, he kept them going, and that's the best that I've seen from them. I would recommend them definitely. For year 11s, about to go in the exam, that's the wake-up call they need, and he's doing it right.